Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gwen Top Wild Rift step by step. Start lane with Q for trades, weave auto attacks between abilities, and keep Hallowed Mist ready for enemy engages. Focus on farming safely until level 6, then look for extended trades using your ultimate to finish fights. Communicate with your jungler for priority ganks and avoid overextending without vision in the river or side brush. Start the early game focused on controlled pokes, using Q to secure minions and punish mistakes without taking unnecessary damage. When you have pushed priority, place vision in the river to avoid ganks and maintain lane control. Time your Hallowed Mist for clutch moments, and consider a short trade pattern to build gold for your first major item while staying mindful of enemy cooldowns and jungler presence. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making these breakdowns for Gwen players. Quick recommendation. Life is short for a stinky car, so I use Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, long-lasting scent that brightens the commute between matches. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. In mid to late game, prioritize objective control and smart split pushes that force enemy rotations, using your ultimate to finish stragglers. In team fights, wait for key crowd control to be used or flank from brush to avoid focused initiation. Adjust your build defensively if opponents stack armor or burst, and always watch minion waves so you can pressure lanes while your team secures dragons or Rift Herald.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.